The diagram below shows the graphs of y is equal to 2 plus 6x minus x squared and y is equal to 10 minus x. Find the truth set of the equation 2 plus 6x minus x squared is equal to 10 minus x. Correct to one decimal place. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. On the graph sheet, we have two graphs. The first graph is a curve and is given by the relation y is equal to 2 plus 6x minus x squared. And the second graph is a straight line and is given by the relation y is equal to 10 minus x. The question wants us to use these two graphs to find the truth set of the equation 2 plus 6x minus x squared is equal to 10 minus x. We can see from the equation that it was formed by equating the curve to the straight line. To get the truth set of this equation, we will have to locate the points of intersection of the line and the curve, since the equation was formed by equating the line to the curve. So you have to pick the points of intersection of the line and the curve on the graph sheet. On the graph sheet, we can see that the line and the curve intersect at this point and this point. The solution of this equation will be the x coordinates of these 2 points. So to get the first solution, we will trace the first point to meet the x-axis. And then to get the second one, we will trace the second point to meet the x-axis. When we trace the first point to meet the x-axis, on my graph sheet, I'm having 1.4. And when we trace the second point to meet the x-axis, on my graph sheet, I'm having 5.7. So it means that the solution to this equation is x is equal to 1.4 or 5.7. When we look through the options we have here, we can see that the correct option is D, 1.4 or 5.7.